on the main timeline, tap on Effects. Tap on Video Effects. You want to swipe over and tap on Basic. And you're looking for Blur. You can find the blur effect next to Shake. Tap on the blur effect to add it. Then tap the check mark. As you can see, you can drag the ends of the effects bar to change the start and end time. And of course, you can move the effect around like this. You can see that the whole video is blurry. Tap on the effects bar to select it, like it is now. Tap on Adjust. This brings up a slider. I'm going to bring the blur down to about 30%. You can see that the whole video has been blurred. That's fine. The next thing I have to do is add an overlay. So I'll go back to the main timeline, tap on Overlay, Add Overlay, and then choose the same clip. To select the overlay clip, this one here. With the clip selected, the next thing you have to do is remove the background. So tap on Remove Background and wait for the process to finish. This may take some time. This will remove the background. The background of this video is blurred out. In my original video, I forgot to mention that you can adjust the strength of the blur effect. Now I'll play the video to show you what it looks like.
I am flying to BC with my boyfriend Mike, and it's my very first time on a plane. I've never flown before, so I'm so excited. This is like one of my dream come true, a very big dream come true for me. I'm so excited for the new adventures that I'm gonna have with him and his family. We're going to his stepbrother's wedding, and we're gonna be camping on a beautiful island, and I get to spend a lot of time with his family, and it's something that I have never been more excited about doing than this. It's something that I've been literally dreaming about for like a couple months now. I'm just thrilled. I'm so excited. I feel like jumping up and down. I'm so excited. And to go on a plane, like, yeah, it's scary because I've never been on one. But the adrenaline and the excitement that I have, like the rush, the feeling that I have in me right now, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be fun. I get to go away. I'm gonna be away on my birthday. So we're gonna have a special time in BC for my birthday with Mike and his family. And I'm so excited, and I love you, Mike.
Once you're satisfied with your video, you can export the final project. Wait patiently for the export to finish. You might notice that the two layers look separated in the export window. Don't worry about this. When you play the video normally, after it's exported, everything should play exactly as it did inside the CapCut app. The export is complete.